Welcome back to Run the Layers. I'm your host, Creative Bobby. On today's episode, I want to talk to you about the end of a client-designer relationship. At the very last stage, we're talking about delivery. When we get to the delivery phase of the client-designer relationship, I want to make sure that I'm providing the client with everything that they'll possibly need. Many discussions, many revisions have gotten us to this point. So when it comes to closing a project and delivering what is needed, the solution for the brand needs to be all-encompassing. It needs to be something even as small as a logo. You need to make sure that it works on multiple mediums and on multiple backgrounds. So you need to provide the solution, the complete solution that the client is looking for. You see, the logo is the centerpiece for the entire visual brand identity. So it needs to be prepared to work, and it will work a lot. Now first, the main logo is in full color. The alternate files will need to include variations of the logo so it works on light and dark backgrounds. For more involved logos, a one color option can also be handy to have in the future. The one color logo is very versatile. Its uses include letterheads, stamps, or even laser cut products. For example, the Nike swoosh logo is an extremely versatile one-color logo that can be used on various products in a variety of colors. I tend to really like creating and seeing one-color logos because they're so versatile and you can use them in so many different colors. So things like the Jumpman logo for the Jordan brand, you have the Nike, you have the shoe and athletic gear. Like, it's a lot of that can be this right here, this American Eagle that I'm wearing right now, like, can be used in various different ways. Like, I like all types of logos for different reasons, and the one color logo is for its versatility. For combination logos where you have an emblem or a symbol with text, you'll need to see how the different ways that will be used. So on a cover photo for Facebook, for example, if it's going a long ways, you'll most likely want to account for that. Or if it's going to be for an avatar, for something that's square or something that's more vertical, usually the text is going to be bunched down below the emblem. So you'll need to provide them just the emblem itself as well as the text that goes with it in below and also to the side. An example of this is what I did for the Blue and Gold Loyalty Foundation. See that we have the upright version, we have the versions going long ways, and we also have the icon alone. So you have all of that in a format where they can use it in multiple ways, for multiple purposes. Delivering for a client means providing as much value as possible. The more problems you solve preemptively in the delivery phase, the more value and the longer lasting that value will be.